Hi guys, just a quick tutorial to show you how I do my fake snow. It's the cheapest way I found of doing it and the easiest way. It dries a lot like the Snow-Tex, but it's a little old tub and it gets quite expensive. But this dries almost, you can see, 3D and it's glittered, and once it's dry it's rock hard. It doesn't come off, nothing, it's there. Alright, so it's pretty easy and I'll show you how. You'll need something to mix it on. I'm just going to use a plate because it's easier than seeing into a bowl. Something to get your glue out. I've just got a spatula, an old brush, white acrylic paints that are on the website, and then I use Glamour Dust for the glitter, normal PVA and fake snow. The range, you got these for, well, they might not have at the minute, but these are like a pounder bag and they last forever. You don't need a great deal of it. And I just put mine into a plastic pot with a spoon, and this has lasted me, I don't know how long. I brought a couple of 3 bags and I've used it a lot, but as you can see, there's loads left as I spill it everywhere. So pretty easy. Is all you need to do is, don't mix too much at once because a little bit of this will go a long way. So I literally just scoop out a couple, of dollops of PVA. Like I said, I'm not going to mix too much because I don't need none at the minute, so I don't really want to waste it, but I'll just show you. A little bit of PVA, and even though PVA, it's white, when it dries it turns clear, so your snow will be clear regardless to whether this is white or not. It's going to be clear. So then I mix in some acrylic paint. You don't need a great deal. You'll see it change as you mix it. It goes from like almost like a muggy colour, and then you'll see the white mix into it. Give it a good old mix. And now it's got the light on here today, shadow, nice and white. And then all you need to do is to add some snow. You don't want it runny, because if it's runny it will just slide off. Just keep mixing it up. If it gets too runny, add some more snow to it. And just keep mixing it all in until everything turns white. And if you think that's still a little bit thick, just add a little tiny more glug of glue and your tiny bit, and I'll start binding it all together. So you really don't need a great deal. I mean, this doesn't look a lot, but that was more than enough to go right the way around the birdhouse. And there you go, and it's really sticky. And then all you do, this is just, it's not even been sanded, so you literally just scoop some up on there, and if you want to put it on the edge, just put it down and just tap it into place. Like so. Just scoop it off of an edge or wherever you want to put it, and then you can move it around or build it up, hang it off the edges, and it will dry where you leave it because it's got the glue, so it will just stick like so. Pretty simple, but it needs to be thick. If it's runny, 1, it will move, and 2, it just doesn't dry, it just stays gluggy and horrible. But if you mix it up so it's nice and thick, get it on there a minute, so it doesn't kind of like just run off your brush, it's stodgy like so. Alright, so it needs to be bitty, and then I'll get rid of that. Like I say, use an old brush because it won't be much good afterwards. And then I use the Glamour Dust to go on top and put it on when it's wet. And then as it dries, it dries, clings hold of the glitter, and the glitter doesn't come off. So again, you've got less glitter to worry about, and just tap off your excess, and you've got a nice, I don't know if you can see the sparkle very well. Got an awful, there we go. But it's really, really 3D, and like I say, a little bit will go a really long way. And on the edges of bits and pieces, it stands up nice and high, and you can tuck it wherever you like, and it sits there, but it doesn't come off. It's rock hard, and that's what you want. Alright, so I hope that helps and clear. Any questions, just give me a shout or leave a comment below. Alright, take care, bye.